Sabihin mo lang.
Hi! Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Dumating kasi yung ate ko, binigyan niya ako ng, hindi ko alam kung ano to, unbox tayo.
I like your hair. Your hair is
Ano
nice.
kaya to?
Be,
Chanel.
Oh my God.
Oh, this is perfume, tapos may lipstick.
Oh God.
Open it.
Wow. Oh guys, if
Oh
you
my
want
gosh.
this one, order lang kayo. Kasi, ano,
Mahal. Be,
nagbibinta siya. Galing ng
Tagpila.
Korea.
sa atong pera.
Ayun na lang. Ganyan na lang.
Oo.
Let me change me.
Okay, sige.
Ganda!
Oh my gosh.
Okay. Lagi ako tumataas kasi tumataas
Sir,
eh.
sir.
So, nagpahawak lang ako ng cellphone par. Oh, wow. Very
Oh
nice.
my gosh.
Ganda. Ganda.
You take a look
Oh,
the
I got this one.
inside.
I got this one. Sa bahay.
Yeah.
It's really smell good. Ano. Tsaka ito din. Lipstick. Wow. Chanel.
I take a look
Galing pa po
inside.
siya ng
What
Korea.
color? De, the color. Ganun
Must be
talaga.
red.
Ganun
Must
talaga
be red.
ipapakita mo. Yan. And the other one. All of them.
Red
Wow,
ito.
that one is so
Red.
nice.
Matte to.
Hindi yata. Baka glossy. Wow, red
Wow.
also.
Ito lang pakita.
Also same, that one. Dalawa-dalawa.
Hindi, magkaiba.
Magkaiba yan. May light, may dark.
Yeah. That one.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment
Comment
below.
and like.
Kung may gusto po kayong ipagawa sa akin, gagawin ko. Kung sino yung mas madaming nasabi, yun ang gagawin ko. Bye po. Sana nag-enjoy kayo. Thank you. Hi guys! Welcome to my YouTube channel. Nandito po ako ngayon sa living room ng aking papa, Honey Bunnies. So I'm gonna unboxing this gift from our Ginfinity Company Christmas party. I got two here. One is mine, one is for Papa. Hi, Han. Say hi. Gonna unbox now. So, open. Ano kaya to? Ano kaya? First unboxing gift for the month of December. So, open po kami para sa gift. My birthday will start tonight. So, I'm ready for the gift. Ready for receiving gift for my birthday. So, you can advance. Giving me a gift. Just the thing that's for it's busy. So, what is this? First unboxing gift for the month of December 29th. Wow, this is for Jeff or mine. Just give us this one for the executive Christmas present in our company. Pillow. Pillow siya. Pillow. And I think when I open it, this one is the... What happened? This is broken. Something. How to do this one? Something on the way. Oh. Okay. Got it. It's a blanket. Wow. It's a blanket. It can be a blanket, but it can be a pillow also. Now I don't know how to fold it back. This is from Rostan's. Wow, a bit expensive this one. Walang mura sa restaurants, puro mahal. So, second gift of the month of December for the advance birthday gift. This is for Jeff. I think I rather choose the first gift that I open. So, nanigurado lang tayo. Ano kaya? What is one? Oh, pareho. Tingin nyo guys. Pareho ba? So, parang iba kami. Kasi magkasama kami tayo. Si isang company. And for the wonderful young and pretty host for our Infinity Company Christmas party tonight, I'm thankful that you mentioned me that I am your guest stockholder of the night. Thank you for let everybody knows that I'm one of the stockholders. I'm thankful. Oh wow! Still the same but different color. It's a pillow blanket. So I'm not gonna use it this one until my Starks came. Delivered in the house, then I'm gonna put this one in my Starks car. And this one. I have to fold it back. This one a bit later. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and comment below. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good night. Thank you and God bless. Advance Merry Christmas.